Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices to guarantee a clean connection. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and set AirDrop receiving to everyone if contacts fail. Once done, unlock both screens and place them close, within about 30 centimeters, to avoid signal interference. Make sure focus or do not disturb is off. Now go to Control Center and briefly toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off then on. This resets radios fast and primes the devices for pairing. Next, you reset the network stack to clear lingering conflicts. Enable airplane mode for about 5 seconds, then disable it to force a fresh radio handshake. If both devices use Wi-Fi, forget the network, then rejoin to clear cached credentials. This step often removes routing hiccups. If AirDrop still fails, go into Bluetooth settings and force a disconnect, then reconnect. Sometimes the UI toggle won't fully reset the adapter. These actions reinitialize low-level connections without a full reboot. Now attempt the AirDrop transfer and accept the prompt as soon as it appears. Delays cause timeouts. If the transfer still fails, reboot both devices. A simple restart often resolves stubborn state issues. Once restarted, retry the transfer. If failure persists, sign out of iCloud on both devices, wait 30 seconds, then sign back in to refresh identity and permission tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, try using a Lightning or USB-C direct cable transfer as a guaranteed fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.